brilliant event. Great to have industry here and be able to have a forum where we can talk about AI. I think the most important thing is to start. Get messy, get going, practice, play, and use a couple of projects to really transform the way that you think about the customer.
The event was pretty nice. Open minds, open possibilities, gives inputs what we should eventually think, what we should take into consideration. A company has to sit down and before entering into AI, really think, what do you want to do and where do you want to stand in 3 to 5 years?
It was a really enjoyable event. I actually learned a lot from it as well. I think if there's one thing to sort of say when it comes to AI is understand your customers' pain points. It's useless rolling AI for the sake of rolling out AI.
This morning's seminar was quite interesting, especially because the speakers were from different backgrounds. We had backgrounds in insurance, we had backgrounds from IT development and even AI as well as academics. From an insurance perspective, especially based in Malta, the key problems faced would be to start collecting as much data as possible and start thinking about automating processes.